Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Today we're going to check out how you can enable the setting to use apps while lying down. So in order to do that, you're going to want to go to your settings menu. If it's not there, find it in your library. Once you're on your settings menu, you're going to want to go down on the left side all the way down to advanced. And about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th one down, it'll say use apps while lying down. Find a comfortable and stable position and look up, then press and hold the recenter button so your view. This feature is for low intensity experiences that does not require a lot of movement. So I'm just in my office chair. It does recline though, so I'm going to recline this down, and you can see I'm looking up here, and if I recenter, there we go. I'm able to now do this while lying down. Now if I sit up and recenter again, there we go. And I'm going to remove this, and I do that same thing. I'm going to lay down again, recenter, and you can see it's in front of me, but it's not in front of my eyes like it was before. So those are some of the things that you need to do in order to use apps while lying down. Thank you for watching this one. Check out my other tips. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.